Hello dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maths by AMS. Today our Karnataka State Board students wrote mathematics examination. As we all know, the question papers for this year midterm examination is from KSEB board. As I discussed with many teachers and my friends and also with my students, most of the students felt that today's maths paper is quite challenging. So we'll see what are all the different questions they given in the paper and how to solve those questions. Let us start with MCQ. The first question is from the chapter polynomials. It is a direct question. They ask the degree of a polynomial. A polynomial is given here. We need to find out the degree of that polynomial. We all know the degree of a polynomial is nothing but the highest power of the variable. Here we have a term with the highest power, therefore the power of the variable is 3, therefore answer for the first question is 3. So now I'm going to take the second one. If the pair of linear equation a1x b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 have unique solution. What is given here? The question, the pair of equation as unique solution. If they have unique solution, what is the answer? What is the condition? That is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Next, third one, the quadratic equation. Can see quadratic, not polynomial, it is an equation. So here it is degree 4, therefore it is not a quadratic equation. Here it is linear, so there is no x square term. It is degree 3 cubic, therefore which is the correct answer? Option C is the correct answer. Now I am going for the fourth one, the common difference of the arithmetic progression. So what is the common difference for the arithmetic progression? That is denoted by D. We all know the formula to find out, that is a2 minus a1. Here it is a1, this is a2, this is a3. On simplification we will get 93 minus 100 and that gives minus 7 is the correct answer. Now I am going for the fifth one. Nth term of the AP is given. So an is given, that is equal to 5n plus 3. I need to find out third term. So third term means n is equal to 3. That gives a3 is equal to 5 into 3 plus 3. That is 15 plus 3 and that gives 18. Therefore for this option D is the correct answer. Next, in the given figure, if xy is parallel to BC. In this figure, they given xy is parallel to BC and they given ax to the ratio AB. So part to the full side is given. It is not BPT. It is corollary of BPT. So by the corollary of BPT, what we can say, AC by AX is equal to AY by AC. Therefore option C is the correct answer. Now I am going for the question number 7. The number of zeros, how many zeros? You can observe the given graph meets the x-axis at one point. As it meets at only one point, number of zeros is equal to how much? 1. It meets at 0. It meets the x-axis at origin, but it doesn't mean that there are zero solution. As it intersects with x-axis at only one point, we can assume or we can say that that polynomial has one root or 1 0. If one root of the quadratic equation is 1, so given one root is 1, that means if it's a root, it has to satisfy that equation. Therefore we can say P of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 square minus k plus 1 into 1 plus 3 equal to 0. Now it gives 2 minus k minus 1 plus 3 equal to 0. So how much it becomes? 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 3. By shifting that minus k to the right side, it becomes plus k. So what is the answer for k? K is equal to 4 is the correct answer. Now, so these are the 8 different MCQs. We can observe all 8 questions are, we can say, easy and direct questions. Now I am moving on to the second main, that is 1 mark section. State fundamental theorem of arithmetic. As we all know, fundamental theorem, BPT and all the criterion statements and also corollary statement, converse statements are very important for the examination. Let us try to state this. So what did the fundamental theorem of arithmetic states that every composite number can be expressed as product of primes, and not only that, and this prime factorization is unique apart from the order in which prime factor occurs. So it is prime factor. It is a very simple and direct question, and also it is a known question for us. Statement of fundamental theorem, it states that every composite number can be expressed as product of primes. Now I am moving on to the question number 10. How many solutions does the pair of linear equation in two variable have if it is inconsistent? They given it is inconsistent, that means no solution. So what is the condition? How many solutions it has? How many solution does the pair of? If it is inconsistent, that means it has no solutions. So inconsistent andre parallel iದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ solutions ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Next, write the formula to find out sum of first n positive. So you are not supposed to write Sn formula here. Here it is given sum of positive integer. Sum of positive integer means 1, 2, 3 up to n. So we have a value here, we have d, so you have to substitute to that Sn formula so that it gives n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Now write the two conditions for similarity of two polygons having same number of sides. See, the two pair of polygons, a pair of polygons with same number of sides, are similar if first one, their corresponding angles are equal. If their corresponding angles are equal, and other one, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Corresponding sides are in same ratio or proportional also you can write. Corresponding sides are in or proportional antanu baribodu. So this is the answer for the question number 12. These are the two conditions the pair of polygon has to satisfy to become or it is similar. If the product of zeros of a polynomial is 3, they given product. So product is 3. Product of zeros is 3. So we all know to find out the product we need to use ABC value. Here A is 2, B is minus 3, C is K. What is the formula to find out this? C by A. C by A is nothing but K by 2, that is given 3. So K is equal to 3 into 2. What is the required answer for this? 6 is the value of K. If the sum of 3 consecutive terms of the arithmetic progression, see 3 terms of arithmetic progression sum is given. Whenever the sum is given, we already given the terms how we have to take. Let the terms of AP be A minus D, A plus D. So these are the 3 consecutive terms which are in AP. So sum is given. If you take this sum, what is the advantage if it by taking these as the terms andre ನನಗೆ sum ತಗೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ that D term will get cancelled and we are going to get the value of A, and that value of A is 7, and it is nothing but that is the middle term here. Therefore what is the second term? Second term is A, it is nothing but 7. Next, 3 bats and 2 balls together cost rupees 700. Cost of one ball is 50. Then what is cost of 2 balls? Cost of 2 balls is that is equal to 50 into 2. ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ 50 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು 100. So let the cost of number of bats, cost of each bat is equal to x rupees. So अगर cost of 3 bats is that is equal to 3x. So this implies 3x is equal to total cost minus 100 rupees ball the price. So ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತಿದು 3x is equal to 600, x is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 600 by 3, so that is equal to 200 rupees is the cost of each bat. Now I am moving on to the question number 16. So the question number 16 is like this. Given triangle ABC, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So whenever two triangles are similar, we all know their corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore AB by DE is equal to ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು BC ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಆಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ EF. AB by DE we know 2 by 3, BC ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 4, EF ನಾನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ EF is equal to 4 into 3 divided by 2, that is 12 divided by 2, it is nothing but 6 centimeter, and these are the solutions for the 1 mark question, that is MCQ and also 1 mark question. So in my next video I am going to upload solutions for the 2 mark section. Keep watching. Thank you.